I'm pretty sure y'all have been seeing all the buzz about this on the grams as I have. Today we are about to review the Makeup by Mario collection. Ooh. I'm gonna first just break down what I have here. One of the highlighters, this is in the shade Bronzite. Look at how gorgeous she is. I have the Master Eye Prep and Set in Deep. So this is so you can prep your lids for prime time eyeshadow application. This is the Master Metals, duh. Look at this baby. Master Metal Manipulator. You can mix these to get like a really high foil shine. This little pan in here can come out. This is the Master Metallics palette. So a bunch of beautiful like shimmery, all your shimmer girls are in here. Then we have the Master Mattes palette. So all of your basic browns, blacks, beiges, tans. Ooh. I have these two pencil eyeliners. This is the Perfect Brown and this is Super Black. So we have this brush. This is a dual-ended brush. This is the EF1. This is the E4, so like a flat eyeshadow brush. This is the E3. The EF2, she is like a pencil brush. This is the E5. Should be really good for like some super detailed blending. Now let's get into it. I'm gonna use this lighter shade. My brush. I'm using the flat side of this brush now. And I'm just going to place this all over my lid. The quality of these brushes is bomb. Okay, so now that I put that down, I'm just gonna take this fluffy end of the brush again and set it in place with the powder that comes in this palette. Also, this powder's kind of nice. I'm gonna just dust it. Oh, and it has like a nice yellow tone to it too, which you guys know I'm liking these days. I'm just touching up the setting powder that I have underneath my eyes a little bit. Have it do a little baking for me. This is the EF2. Matte number 10. This one I am gonna build up the color. And look at that pigment. I just did like a quick little swirly twirl right here. And she picked right up. So you don't need a lot of this shadow. I like that so far. To deepen it up, I'm gonna use the black. So that is matte number 12. I'm using the same brush. I'm just lightly just gonna go in and do some swirls right here in this outer corner. And I'm not dragging it all the way into the crease like I usually would. I'm also not experiencing like hardly any fallout under my eyes with these matte shadows. This is called matte number 9. And I'm gonna like blend that out towards the edges. So I'm gonna use the Master Metals and I'm gonna use the shade Copper in here. This that beautiful orange right in the middle. So this is the mixing solution. Comes a little bottle like this. Like I just took out that little chunk of a corner. This is what it looks like in the pan, which I'm so happy that this comes out. Wow, wow, Mario. You didn't have to do us like this though. Oh yeah, babe. Oh yeah. What? I'm just gonna go around the edges. What? And she blends, y'all. Like it's not like you put it there and it's stuck and you have to work with it super quick. Oh, wow. Mario, this is gonna make the most like novice of makeup people feel like they know what they doing a little bit. Look how little of this I used. So you don't even have to take out that much eyeshadow to get the look that you want. Such a bomb product. And I still have that much left. So we're gonna go in with our beautiful Master Metallics. What was the other one called? Master Metals. So this is the Master Metallics. And I'm gonna take the E5 brush, so this is a much smaller detailed brush, and I just want to put something in my inner corner. Shade Metallics 1. It's glittery, but she still gives a lot of color payoff. You still get a lot of that yellow go. All right, so now we're gonna go in with our eyeliner. I think I'm gonna use the brown eyeliner. This is just called the Perfect Brown. I'll use this compact so you guys can actually see. And I don't really have to wing it out because obviously I have like all this black. But I am gonna smudge it out, and I'm gonna use this little brush. Oh, the brush is nice. I actually thought, because it looks like this, I thought it was gonna be like super stiff and not really be able to do much. I thought it was gonna actually drag away a lot of my shadow, but it doesn't. So the highlight shade I have is in Bronzite. This is what she looks like. She's a gorgeous beauty. I'm gonna close her because I don't like glitter on my face, especially. She's a glitter. I wasn't expecting. So this is our finished look with the Makeup by Mario. Y'all, let me just start off with what I didn't like. I did not like the highlight. This is a very much so, like, if you like a glitter highlight, she's your girl, you're gonna like her. I don't like glitter highlights. I was disappointed because I thought I was gonna get this color and get color payoff, but I didn't. It's cool to prime your eyes. I don't feel like it really does anything different than like a normal concealer would to prime your eyes. But what I do like from this is this powder. I use this powder to like highlight on my face. I wish the powder came like in a compact size, like the highlighter. That would be bomb. Now onto the 3 eyeshadows. I feel like they're all equally just as good. My favorite part of this collection was the brushes, hands down. But these were some good quality brushes. I love this brush that I was using to apply the little powder is so good. These blend well, they blend like a dream. The eyeshadows also blend like a dream. The eyeliners were really nice, and the brushes on the ends of them, I thought these were gonna be stiff and like not really have a purpose, like not really be functional, but they're so soft and they blend ever so slightly. If you get anything from this, I would definitely say try the mixed metals, because the color payoff that you are able to get, and like the fact that you can mix them together, make your own custom shades, like bomb, bomb, bomb. Mario did not come in here with no funny business. He came in here ready to slay us, and that's what he did. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys, and if you're not already, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My name is @Niara Alexis, and I will see you guys next time.